Hello students, today we'll take our first rule in normalization, which is the first normal form. So a relation schema R is in 1NF if every attribute of R takes only single and atomic values. So to say that a relation schema is in 1NF or first normal form, each attribute of this relation must take single value or atomic value. This means that the domains of attributes must include only atomic values, and that the value of any attribute in a tuple must be a single value from the domain of that attribute. So the domains of attributes must include only atomic values. Let's take an example here. If we have the student relation schema and with the following attributes. The first attribute is student number, student name, and the third attribute is a composite attribute named course that consists of course number and the course title. So this is a compound or composite attribute composed of two attributes, which are the course number and the course title. For this relation to be in 1NF, this shouldn't happen because as we said, for each attribute in 1NF should be only atomic attribute or single valued attribute. If we look up at this attribute, we can see that the set braces here means or identifies that the attribute course as multi-value, which means this student with student number, specific student number, can take a list of courses, each course composed of course number and course title. So for example, we may have a student who take course number CS 400 with course title database, also comma a course number CS 500 with the course title artificial intelligence, for example. And he can have another course which may be 3 courses, for example. So this shouldn't happen in first normal form. So in order to convert this relation or make this relation in 1NF, we need to decompose this composite attribute into single and atomic attributes. This means that this relation becomes as this one. So to normalize it to 1NF, we need to decompose the course, which is course number and course title. Each one of these will be decomposed into a single and atomic column or attribute as the following: course number and the course title, and the course will disappear because this is a composite one. It will disappear and the components will take single column for each. So because of the last attribute, which is course, the student relation here is not in 1NF. So to make it in 1NF, you need to differentiate or decompose this one into two single atomic attributes. In the next video, we'll talk about the second normal form. So stay tuned.